guys, so this is the start of my dorm room tour. So I go to Santa Clara University. I've been vlogging like all my first days here. I'm just about into my 4th week now, so I haven't been vlogging like the past couple weeks, but I did want to show you guys my room now that it's pretty much finished. Yeah, everybody wants to see my room because it's huge, and you guys will see it's literally amazing. So my roommate is not here right now. She might come in during the middle of it, but yeah, I'm just gonna like show my side mostly. So here we go, dorm room tour, let's get it. This is like the door where you come in. So let me give y'all a quick overview. Yeah, you can just see it's literally huge. So I'm gonna start over here. So we have like a medicine cabinet that we don't really use, and then this is my roommate's side of the sink, and then this is my side. On my side I just have like my toothbrush holder, soap. This I bought to put the soap in it, and I never did it, so yeah. And paper towel. In there we just have like cleaning supplies for like cleaning the sink and bathroom and stuff like that. Here's my hair drawer. So I have bonnets, scarves, what are these called, clips, gel, oil, freeze spray, combs, ghost bond, have my extra sunscreen, hair moisturizer, just everything for my hair, flexi rods. And then the second drawer is like my, I don't know, toiletries, I guess. I have my shower caddy. I never actually bring this in the shower, but I like keep all my shower stuff in it. So like soap, shower cap, my face brush, razor, shaving cream, whole bunch of like Q-tips and all that stuff. My Nikki perfume I use every single day, lotion, extra soap. This is the best soap, by the way. It literally smells amazing, and the smell stays on you like forever. My toner, my toothpaste, because I don't know, I just don't have like, I don't like having a lot of stuff on the counter, so I mostly keep it in here. It's really not that inconvenient. Makeup wipes, and have like flossers underneath there, just random stuff. And then in the last drawer, so there's like a sponge for cleaning like the shower, alcohol, extra toothpaste, shampoo, deodorant, extra soap, foil, garbage bags, just some random stuff like plastic sandwich bags. I have this little container with like nail polish stuff and like a extra brush, extra toothbrushes, just random. This should be in my hair drawer, both of these actually. All right, so that's what I just went through. And then there's 2 closets. So I have this closet. I keep my towel and my washcloth on here just because it's easy and like close to the sink. I have all my shoes, all my dirty clothes, this mirror that my dad hung up for me. You could only hang like one side, so the rest of it is like double-sided tape, but it's like fine. I have extra paper towel and tissue. I have my tripod, what is that called, a broom and a dustpan. I have belts, clothes that I hang up. I actually like, I left a lot of clothes at home, so my mom is shipping me like a bunch of clothes. This is really random, but I just love how like the thing that you hang the hangers on is like really like wide. I don't know how to explain it. I just love that. It's just so satisfying. I don't know, I love it. And then at the top I have regular glasses, sunglasses, a hat, like some bags, my neck pillow for when I go on flights, extra backpack, my bag of hair, wigs, all that stuff, like extra towels. So that's my closet. It's huge. It's like I could fit so much more stuff in here. My camera's about to die, so I actually kind of need to hurry up. But back to the sink. So those are my roommate's towels, and then I have a bag right here that's not usually here. This is just like my grocery bag, because you know, y'all know out here they be trying to charge you for plastic bags. It's crazy. I just have like my pots and pans and all the dishes that I use when I cook my breakfast bagels, because I've been doing those recently. So I just keep it here so I can just grab it and go to the kitchen. We have one of those little door lock things. This door leads into, here, I'll show you. This is the shower, this is the toilet. I'm not gonna show you because it's honestly kind of gross and we really need to clean, but yeah. And then like on the other side is our suite mate. So yeah, we never really use that, we just have it. So here's the room. This is my roommate's side. I'll give you a quick overview, but yeah, she gets the sunset. It's so nice. And then this is my side. I tried to do like a beachy theme, so you're gonna see like some beachy stuff. We were thinking about getting a couch because it's just so much open space, and like if we have people over, they have somewhere to sit. So yeah, we might do that. But right here is my TV, just on this little stand. I don't use it all that often, just when I watch, just when I want something on, you know. I told my parents I didn't really need one and they still got one for me, so I try to like use it. There's also an HDMI cable, but my computer doesn't have a HDMI port, so I need to buy like an adapter. So on this wall I just have some stuff like hanging up. I have a whole bunch of these like beachy signs. Happy summer, good times, make a splash. Just, yeah, my mom got these for me and they're like perfect for my theme, so they're just kind of all over my wall. And then I also have some necklaces hanging up on push pins. I just thought this was so cute, and they go like down, you know, the longer ones over here. This is like a chain for my jeans, but yeah, super cute. Okay, so here's my desk area. I literally never do work at my desk. I just can't. So yeah, this is not really a desk. Like, this is not like a workspace for me. But I just have a plug that's like double-sided tape, so like doesn't move. My camera charger, because I keep having to take breaks because this camera is dying. I have a mirror from Bed Bath & Beyond whenever I want to do my makeup or something, my hair. I have my Q&A a day, which is so cute. You literally just answer a question every single day for 5 years. It's so crazy looking back at my answers just from like this year. And I have my planner, Erin Condren. My makeup, Vanity. I don't really do my makeup that much here. I mean, I didn't really do it that much back home, but I have my whole thing right here. I have this super cute flamingo tape my mom got me. And then I have my jewelry box that my cousin gave me. It's so cute. I just have like hoops, studs, and rings in here. Yeah, it's so cute. And then I have a lamp from, I don't remember where this is from, honestly, Target maybe. And then this little photo cube that my advisor from high school gave me when we graduated. So I just printed out some pictures and put it in there. And then I have all my textbooks that I literally never use. Extra double-sided tape, scissors, push pins, tape, extra pictures that I didn't put on my wall, all my makeup palettes, and just like receipts. And the second one is like school supplies. So I have like scissors, glue, pens, a notebook, this thing with a whole bunch of stuff in it. Paper. Like, I really never use any of this. I take all my notes on my iPad for the most part, so yeah, I don't really use a whole lot of school supplies. Oh, right here is the hook for my wheels on my Heelys. And then this drawer is locked. I really don't have anything in there but like extra chargers and stuff, but it locks, so I just lock it. Here's my garbage and recycling. My book bag. I just have like my charger, gum, water bottle, iPad, whatever. Okay, so here's my bed. Let me show y'all the view. Are you kidding me? It's just crazy. I can see mountains from my room. Like, oh, it's crazy. Under my bed, I have water, a bottle of Pepsi that my parents got me that I still haven't drank because I really never drink soda. I have like an ice cube tray that came with the fridge. Pots and pans, because I can't use the pots and pans in the kitchen just because I'm bougie. So I bought my own box of pots and pans. My extra suitcases, a box from Chegg, winter kind of clothes. In here I just have like random stuff. Like, I have like Tupperware, Olive Garden bags, some extra garbage bags in there. In this tote, this is my food snack tote, so I have a box of Crunch Berries that are not in there. And then yeah, I have like Smart Food popcorn, syrup, ramen, vegetable oil, a water bottle, plate, salt, all types of seasonings, forks, fruit snacks, macaroni, Pringles. I've honestly ate a lot of the snacks already, so I kind of need to re-up. So here's my bed. Like I said, I was kind of going for like a tropical beach theme. So my comforter's from Walmart, blanket, Walmart, that came with the comforter. And then like the brown sheets are from Target. So yeah. Here's my photo wall. So my mom got me this little like blessed decal. So I printed out a whole bunch of pictures, friends, family, and I put them on my wall, and I think it's so cute. Like, I literally love this wall. And then I just have more of those like beach things. So here's my dresser. So like I said, my mom still needs to send me like a lot of clothes, but in here I just have like socks, underwear, bras, and like pajamas, and just like random tank tops and stuff. Here I have like t-shirts and sweatpants and biker shorts and like soft kind of stuff, I guess, and just like chill clothes. It's not really that organized. I just kind of know where everything is because I don't have that many clothes here. And then here's just like jeans and shorts. That's it. Here's my computer, and then another like power surge double-sided tape down. Okay, the decor is so cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, here's my pineapple from Target. I'm obsessed. I'm pretty sure it was the last one in the store, so I had to get it. And I have this. It's from Dollar Tree, I think. And like, it's so cute, and it goes with my theme. You're the peanut to my colada. Even though I don't even like pina coladas, I had to. And then this is also from Target. It says, I got this like before I even left. I saw it in Target. It was $5 and I had to buy it. I was with my friends and they're like, you have to get it. It says, I dream of summers that last forever. And I put some pictures from, these two are from this summer, and then that's from 2017. Wow, that's crazy. But yeah, I dream of summers that last forever because everybody knows I'm obsessed with summer and it's all I talk about. So yeah, I love that. So here's the view again. The lights are on now, so you can't see it as well. But here's our mini fridge. So I have some bagels. She has a banana. It's mostly my stuff in the freezer. So I have like sausage for my bagels, waffles, and some garlic bread. And then in the fridge, I have like croissants and ketchup, tomato sauce, eggs, butter, milk, cheese. Yeah, our fridge looks good, honestly, I think. Here's our room. It's huge. Like I said, we're thinking about a couch maybe. So yeah, it's huge. I love having so much open space. Like, it's amazing. Like, all my friends are like so jealous of my room, and I just got so lucky. So yeah, I wish y'all could have met my roommate, but she's out on a run. So next time, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because my camera is dying and it's blinking on me as we speak. So I hope you guys enjoyed my dorm room tour. Everybody has been wanting to see it. So yeah, go watch my other college videos. I'll hopefully be posting like a lot more like weeks of my life and like weekends of my life and stuff like that, even though I don't be doing nothing, but people just want to know what college kids do. So but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter's in the down bar as always. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Rule number 1 to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number 2, fuck his best friends and make them yes men.